call it lofty. Very good for drainage. And what you want to do is when you plant this in the hole, I'll show you this in the picture what I use. 50% mix of bone meal and organic fertilizer. We're going to put this in the hole, the plant, okay, and we're going to water that in. Now, this is really good, this trellis system, we'll call it, string system, whatever you call it. So you can see the old plant, how I wrapped it around the plant. And I'll tell you what, it's the best that I've come across so far. I was also doing them on a horizontal as the plant grew, but using those things right there, those cages for tomatoes, didn't work very well for me. This worked very well. Fertilizer in the bone meal, just gonna go like this and toss it around with your hand, okay? Get yourself a hole, get the plant. You can go buy these wherever you like. So what we want to do is when we take the plant out of the container, we want to lay it down some so you see these little hairs, they're actually roots. You want to lay the plant down in the dirt, and then when you cover it, you're going to cover those roots. Okay, so it's not straight up and down the plant, you see? And then as far as this goes, you see I'm pretty close to this. I'm going to show you how you can attach that to the post and then using the strings. Okay, so you can see the plant is between the two posts. At the bottom of the post is a string. You see this string? So I'll tie a string to that and I'll run it up here to the top. And what you're going to do is you're simply going to take, like I showed you in the picture of the old plant, you're going to take this as the plant grows and you're going to wrap it around the stem. You're going to also use these as needed. You simply clip them around the plant in the string, and they really help with securing your plant because they're going to get heavy, they're going to get big. And so I think it's really important to get a water meter, moisture meter, because you do not want to overwater the tomatoes. I made that mistake a couple years ago and they got root rot. And another thing too I want to share with you, get yourself some chives. They're about to flower. And then get yourself a marigold and put it in. So it would be tomato, marigold, chives. It really helps the pests.